So the first thing I always do when I land into Bangalore is to get some filter coffee. There's a Hatti coffee stall right outside Bangalore airport where I've been getting my coffee over the years. So, oh god, this is so good, especially after an early morning flight. Really amazing. So I'm checking into the Conrad Bengaluru and all these cool people. Hi, namaskar, what's up? Hello, hello. This is where I'm staying today. So finally checked into the Conrad Bengaluru. I'm going to spending a few days here. I'm working out of Bangalore and for this whole week, and I wanted to give you a room tour. As you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. So the guys at the Conrad Bengaluru have upgraded me to a suite. It's absolutely amazing. You can see this whole like a living room area. These guys have made a nice hamper of chocolates for me, and I want to show you the view as well. This is the view. So it's overlooking the lake, the Bangalore lake, the Ulsur lake. It's a nice view of the city. I can actually sit here and have my lunch and everything. I love looking at great views. This is what the room looks like, guys. Let me give you another tour into the bedroom. This is what the bedroom looks like. I've made sure I do the tour as soon as possible before I mess the bed and mess the room with my shoes. You can already see my shoes there. Great views from the bedroom as well. I don't think I'll close the curtain only tonight. I think I'll just be looking out at the sea, at the scenery. I don't know what I'm saying. Nice big bathroom here. This is the room tour of this hotel and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love this room. I'm dying for this view. It's really amazing. I'm gonna go and eat my lunch. I've just got in from Mumbai, so I've called for a nice little sandwich, something light to eat. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do all day today. So guys, I wanted to come to Bangalore actually to just change scene a bit, come to leave Bombay because I've been stuck at home and just work out of a different space. So that's primarily the reason why I wanted to change. And while this suite has a really lots and lots of space and a massive desk and a big living room, I have chosen this little spot on the floor because it has a direct view of the lake. So I'm happily sitting on the carpet. Have you ever done this, guys? Sitting on the carpet and working. So I'm sending out some files. That's the view. I'm gonna go and make some coffee. There's a coffee machine there. So I'm gonna talk to you in a while. We're having our sushi dinner. And I'm catching up with my friend Manisha after so many years. I almost said Manisha. Say hi to everyone on YouTube. Time to dig into the sushi, guys.
Yum, yum, yum.
So I woke up this morning with like what is possibly the worst migraine attack ever. So you know that, you guys know that I suffer from migraine very regularly. And normally, like in normal circumstances, like a hotel always keeps like paracetamol, crocin, basic medicines. But now given the pandemic, they don't give out anything at the front desk. So I've just preferred to walk to the chemist and pick up some medicines early in the morning. Feeling quite miserable, but that's okay. And hopefully I'll get some coffee and I'll feel better.
This is a kesari rice kheer, a kheer vade, akki roti and the chai.
So this is a breakfast, normal, very typical breakfast.
This is South Indian. There are few more items I wanted to ask you and then send it to you in case you would like a
So I walked to the chemist I showed you, and I came back to have a heavy breakfast because everybody was like, have a heavy breakfast, drink some juice, apple, beetroot, carrot. This is what my breakfast looks like. There's a whole bunch of South Indian things. I took my medicine, and of course the most important thing, filter coffee, which I really enjoy. Ow, 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 ow. I just burnt my hand with the filter coffee. So spending these days working in Bangalore, this is what I've been doing. I've set up shop here, my laptop, my French class is going on, and drinking lots of coffee. There's a coffee machine behind me, but it has only decaf pods, so that doesn't do any good for me. So I've been using the regular Nescafe. My friend Blossom is coming to visit now, so she's just in the lobby, and she's going to come up very soon. So yeah. So finally catching up with my friend Blossom for dinner. Say hi to everyone on YouTube. Okay, so we are having this nice thali. As you can see, there's all sorts of meat. There's chicken, mutton, there's a big rava prawn, and there's rice, and we're going to eat a lot of heavy food today. And I'm catching up with Blossom after many years. We've traveled together all over the world, and yeah, so I'm going to have my dinner now and catch you on the other side. So I'm all set to go for breakfast, and then to step out, let me show you what I'm wearing. Something super simple. I'm just wearing a very basic cotton check shirt, which I love, paired with jeans and some very comfy Puma sneakers. I got my iWatch on. I'm all set for Bangalore. Just one little touch of fun with this mask. What do you think of my look, guys? I'm headed out for my first meeting of the day, and I'm just sitting here waiting in the lobby for my Uber. It's actually pretty easy to get around with Uber in Bangalore. The fact that the Bangalore Uber driver sometimes can be quite strange. I've had some strange experiences. That's a different matter altogether. For example, yesterday the guy, he refused to turn on the AC. I don't know why. And then he was driving like a maniac. Like he U-turned on this one main road, and I seriously thought the car was going to get hit with like all this charging traffic. He's just decided to U-turn. So yeah, that was really horrible. But otherwise it's been pretty simple. I'm quite excited for my day. You know, the most important thing is, like, I'm just happy to be away from Mumbai, working in a different setting, because while I'm not really doing any leisure activities here, I'm not on a vacation here, just the fact that I can work in another place, in another hotel, means a lot. So that's nice. I'm going to change my outlook in general, and in a while I'm just Uber's gonna come and hopefully carry on with my day. I'm catching up with my friends tonight. I don't know what Anupam has got planned, so hopefully there's going to be something fun. So got a nice lunch surprise. The guys here have set up this beautiful little table in this little sunken pit by the swimming pool. So I'm really looking forward to sitting down, and yep. This is what it looks like. I'm going to sit and have an Italian lunch today, overlooking the pool and the lake. So having lunch here at Tiamo, beautiful setting, a nice, very fresh Italian salad, tomatoes, some fresh burrata. It's looking good. So I just finished my work for the evening, and I decided to step down for Starbucks coffee to MG Road. That's the outlet behind me. It's a really nice outlet, but the road is so noisy, so I don't really know if you can hear anything that I'm saying. I'll only be able to find out when I'm editing the video, but yep, that's it. So guys, 3 days in Bangalore got over so quickly. I had a very nice time. It was really nice to take a break from Mumbai and work out of another city. So I hope you like this video. I caught up with my friends last night, and we went for a nice dinner and drinks at Permit Room, which was really cool. I wanted to show you some more footage, but it was really dark, so I couldn't really do anything. I've woken up this morning feeling quite relaxed. I'm gonna step out and grab some coffee, and then driving to Coorg. So thank you very much for joining me on this video. do leave me your comments. If you think I should go and work out of any other city in the future, please do let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and of course leave me your comments. Until my next vlog is going to be on Coorg. I'm driving in a very cool car all the way to Coorg, and I'm going to have some fun experiences there, so of course stay tuned.